I had shorted the pandemic early on, even though it was a little too early. It paid off. And then 2 days after it bottomed, I had a selection of, I think, 14 or 15 companies that should have never gone down at all. They should have only gone up as soon as we realized there was going to be a global pandemic, and everybody would be stuck living in their house for, working in their house for a year. So, companies ranging from Hewlett Packard, where everybody would want to go buy printers for their house, to Peloton, because you can't go to the gym, you got to work out at your house now.
Right.
Shopify, because, you're shopping online, Amazon, obviously. Campers World, because one of the things you can do, you can still go camping, boat stocks. I bought a company out of Canada that nobody even had ever traded before that owned Schwinn bicycles, because, Schwinn had a run of the biggest bicycle sales in the history of the company. I think that company went up 8 or 9x over the course of 9 months. I had these 14, 15 companies. So I was like, these companies should be doubling right now. And instead they were all down like 30, 40, 50%, just because the whole market traded down. So I always knew that I was going to go levered long in these 15 companies, but I didn't want to do it until the market became less erratic and irrational. So once the markets finally started to, normalize and come back up, I took all the gains from shorting the travel stocks and the market at large and just put them into levered positions in these 15 companies, which is obviously the trade of a lifetime. So that was a huge year.
Was that the biggest dollar gains you've ever had? I don't know, by the way, I don't watch enough of your content to know how much you talk. Like, do you disclose like how much you make on these things? Do you say like, I got a 10 million active portfolio? Like, what do you actually say? I don't know what
we're
you're
very open
about.
and transparent. I think that year I made 30 million in the market.